We want to solve 2x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0, either by using the quadratic formula or by completing the square. I'm going to use the quadratic formula. X is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. Looking at the equation over here, we can identify a is 2, that's the coefficient of x squared, b is negative 3, and c is 2. So x is going to be, negative b would be 3, plus or minus the square root of negative 3 squared minus 4 times 2 times 2, all divided by 2a, which is twice 2. So that's going to be 3 plus or minus the square root of 9, take away 16, divided by 4, which is 3 plus or minus the square root of negative 7 over 4, which is 3 plus or minus I root 7 over 4. So what we get is 3 plus I root 7 on 4, and 3 minus I root 7 on 4. What do we notice about the roots? Well, once again, we can see that we have a conjugate pair. This is important. Note the coefficients were all real coefficients. So in this example and the last example, we've solved a quadratic with real coefficients. We ended up with a negative under the square root, which means we get complex roots. And the complex roots turned out to be a conjugate pair.